Hello. Let's take a look at the 2023 Barclays expectation. Well, it's not pretty. These guys are seeing an 18% drop in the S&P, 1.7% GDP growth versus 3.2 last year for the world. A long, hard slog, a recession, 4.8% unemployment. So their view essentially is that, you know what? The thing is going to hit the fan, if you know what I mean. It's
Right.
finally coming to roost, the chickens, I mean. So obviously it has an impact on the economy, unemployment, and everything else. And obviously stock prices that I've said in previous discussion that the stock price was down because earnings are going. So not a good thing with bonds. Not a good thing.